Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about Duolingo. This is ticker symbol DUOL because they had some very big news coming out today. Obviously today was the IPO, the initial public offering of Duolingo stock. This is a company that's been around for a while, but finally going public, and people were very excited. As you guys can see here on the screen, shares were up 36% on the day. You were able to get the IPO shares, I believe, for $102 or $103 actually on the Robinhood IPO Access, part of the Robinhood app and trading platform. And then obviously from there, $102, $103, whatever it ended up being, shooting up right to $141 pretty much as soon as the shares went live. Yes, they did dip a little bit, but then they went right back up, and they've been trading pretty flat throughout the day. I mean, really not a ton of volatility here, but a really good day, down 0.2% after hours. So they've held a lot of these gains and ended up closing right around $139. So overall, a very good day for Duolingo stock. So we're just going to be talking about that in today's video. Definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy it. I'd appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. We can get there a little bit faster. We can get a little bit closer with your help. So remember to click that button. With that being said, here we go. So MarketRealist.com put out this article called Duolingo's IPO is here and its stock looks promising, where they kind of dive in to DUOL a little bit further. So they priced their IPO and they're expected to list on July 28th. Again, till today's July 28th. That is what happened. The company plans to raise about $521 million in the offering. That's exciting. It's always a big deal. And what's the forecast for the company? So again, they were founded in 2011. They've been around for almost 10 years now, or right about 10 years. They're an online language learning platform. The company has received at least $182 million in equity investments from NewView, Union Square Ventures, Capital G, KPCB, and General Atlantic. The IPO date and price, again, July 28th. Companies offering 5.1 million shares in the IPO at $102 each. So again, going from 102 all the way up to 141 pretty much immediately was pretty significant, was a pretty big deal. And people who were able to get in on the IPO price, which again, usually is only those big inside investors and stuff, but with Robinhood IPO Access now, some people on Robinhood were actually able to get in on this company at $102 per share. They had a very good day today. Now, you can't just sell them right away. I think Robinhood makes you hold it for like at least 30 days or something like that. So we'll see how this plays out in 30 days from now. But so far, so good. Definitely a hot start for people who did get in at these IPO prices. The offering is expected to close on July 30th. The net proceeds will be utilized for repaying debts, working capital requirements, and general corporate purposes. So some things to note about Duolingo is that they are not currently profitable. They reported a net loss of $15.8 million in 2020 compared to $13.6 million in 2019. So obviously not great. Their net loss is kind of increasing year over year so far. We'll see what it looks like in 2021. The revenue did rise 129% year over year to $161.7 million in 2020 and 97% year over year to $55.4 million in the first quarter of 2021. So they're kind of growing. Things are picking up. They're moving in the right direction. As of March 31st, 2021, the company had $92.1 million in total liabilities and $117.5 million in cash and cash equivalents. So they are able to cover their liabilities, which is a pretty big deal. Their valuation, the IPO will value Duolingo at around $3.7 billion. Again, they're up 30 to 40% from there. So maybe we're looking at $4.5 to $5 billion now. And puts the company's 2020 price to sales multiple at 22.9x. While that multiple might look high in absolute terms, Duolingo is a high growth stock, and its sales should rise significantly in the coming years. Again, if you do believe that they are going to continue to rise rapidly, then you might be able to get Duolingo at a pretty competitive price, a pretty decent price, potentially, depending on what you think their future outlook looks like. The ticker symbol again is DUOL. The stock will be listed on the NASDAQ, and the company is offering it $102. So kind of some repeating stuff there, but the stock forecast, the outlook for Duolingo stock looks promising, says Market Realist. Between 2020 and 2027, the global market for online language learning is expected to grow at a CAGR of 18.7% to reach $21.2 billion by 2027. The primary drivers for growth are continued globalization trends and consumer adoption of time-efficient and cost-efficient technological offering. So, kind of a lot of good, interesting information going on there. Today was a big day for Duolingo. It's hyped up. It's doing well. People are excited, and we'll just kind of have to wait and see what happens from here. So, that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you do enjoy it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Duolingo. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hope to catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.